I would like to tell you about a training project that EMBL started this year to train future generation of scientists who will work in research infrastructures. We noticed that there is a gap of human resources in the last years. We experienced a fantastic rise of research infrastructures in life sciences. We are coming from life sciences part. And at the same time, we experienced that it's not easy to hire good people to work in research infrastructures because the career path is new and there's no structured training program. That's why we decided to try to solve this problem, and we, with the support of the Horizon 2020 program of European Commission, so Marie Curie program, and over 40 partner organizations in academia and industry, we started a training program where we are looking for experienced professionals in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to get trained at EMBL and to learn about how to write service providing research infrastructures like core facilities, small ones or big global research infrastructures like synchrotrons, or to work or lead the technology developing teams that are making new technology for the services. The major focus during this training phase is working on development of new technology that will be integrated into the service while getting trained to provide the service and also learning how to run the core facility. So we are looking for people that have experience in engineering, computational, biomedical engineering, optics, robotics, automation, detector development, imaging, data management, software development, to come to us and to develop new technologies for life sciences. Here at the bottom, you can see the fields of life sciences in which EMBL is focusing. EMBL is the international organization. It's a European molecular biology laboratory that has laboratories on 6 sites across Europe and focuses on different fields of life sciences. In bioinformatics, very strong structural biology, also tissue biology, general molecular biology, genetics, developmental biology, epigenetics. However, people who will come to RI-VIS, they have their strength more in technology development and some understanding of life sciences. So that's why we are looking more for engineers. And we know that Latin America has excellent education, and we already had contacts with the experts who are interested to join us from Latin America, and they were all really good, and we are very happy to greet more applicants to join EMBL and then to get a fellowship for 3 years to learn with us, to get experience from our core facility heads that are very experienced and one of the best in the world, and after these 3 years to go to their home countries or wherever they wish to go and to lead the core facilities and service providing units there. During the time at EMBL, while they are working on the technology development, they will also attend a range of courses to learn how to manage research infrastructures, because it requires a lot of management skills from budgeting, reporting, health and safety, etc. But also to learn what it means to provide service and how to support users in the best possible way, to how to interact with industry and to develop new technologies together with industry, to do entrepreneurship and technology transfer, but also to learn about current science policy, because many of scientists are not familiar with a broad spectrum of activities that are happening related to S3s and research infrastructures, fair data, open science, as well as to learn about basic management like project management, recruiting, etc. This is a unique program. We did not find a comparable program anywhere in the world when we looked to this extent. So there are programs that offer parts of this training for much shorter periods of time. As far as we know, this is a unique 3 years training program that should get people with experience in technology development to the level that allows them to lead a smaller core facility and or to work as a senior scientist in research infrastructures of any size. And we are looking for the best candidates. So please help us spread the word. They need to reach the best experts with backgrounds that I mentioned that can be seen here on the site, on the slide, that have at least 4 years research experience. They do not have to have a PhD, because in many of these fields, you do not go with a PhD normally, the PhD track. We have an open call coming now in September, and their application undergo the the independent evaluation phase, and when successful, they get the fellowships. With the RI-VIS, we also wish to work with the whole community to shape the career progression path in research infrastructures and to improve the standing and career progression of the research infrastructure scientists. So that has been my short presentation, and we would very much like to hear from you, and we would be grateful if you would spread the word and if we get excellent applicants from Latin America.